Vivo is set to launch an impressive 5G smartphone in India, making it an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade to a 5G-capable device. This phone has a triple camera setup which has a DSLR-like camera. Along with this, long battery and fast charging support has also been given to charge it. Based on the report received just now, it is told below that it can be launched now. How much can be its price? What features can be available? The Vivo X200 Ultra 5G Mobile will have a 6.8-inch punch-hole display, and it will have a refresh rate of 144 Hz. 128 3200 pixel resolution will be given. Along with this, fingerprint sensor and MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor has been given in it. If we talk about the battery in Vivo X200 Ultra 5G Mobile, then a long battery of 6000 mAh will be given. For charging, which a 210-watt charger will also be given, which will easily charge it in a minute, and you can easily use it throughout the day. If we talk about the camera in the mobile, then the real camera will be given a 400 megapixel. Along with that, 50 megapixel ultra-wide megapixel ultra-wide 50 megapixel depth sensor and front camera of 80 megapixel will be given. 4K video recording can be done easily with this mobile. ViVO's mobile can be launched in 3 different variants. 12GB RAM, 128GB internal, and 12GB RAM, 512GB internal, and 16GB RAM, 512 internal can be given. This mobile of Vivo X200 Ultra 5G can be launched between 32,999 to 37,999. But if you take this offer, then with a discount of 1,000 to 3,000, you will get this mobile from 31,999 to 34,999 with EMI of 1,000. Let us tell you that the price and feature of this mobile has not been officially told yet. It will be known only when it is launched, whether this mobile can be launched by the end of January 2025 or the end of February 2025. However, the official announcement has not been made.